My dear students, welcome to online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject, chapter number 1, video number 3. We are going to complete chapter in this video. For India, Gandhiji's death was nothing less than a calamity. It caused agony in every heart that was vibrating. Prime Minister Nehru somewhat explained the greatest ever loss of the nation. Through radio, he sent the message to the millions of Indians, holding back his tears and choking often with emotion. Here, the meaning of calamity is an event resulting in great loss, and the meaning of agony is extreme pain. So, my dear students, Gandhiji's death, that means not less than a calamity. That means too much pain is there. Even Prime Minister Nehru also said, the greatest loss of the nation. And he sent messages to the millions of Indians. Next paragraph. The light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere, and I do not quite know what to tell you and how to say it. Our honored leader, Bapu, as we call him, the father of our nation, is no more. Perhaps I am wrong to say that. Nevertheless, we will not see him again as we have seen him this many years. We will not run to him for advice and seek solace for him, and that is a terrible blow, not to me only, but to millions and millions of this country. And it is difficult to often the blow by any advice that I or anyone else can give you. My dear students, in this paragraph, it is said, light has gone. That means, due to Gandhiji's death, there is a darkness everywhere. By hearing this, the father of nation is no more. That means Bapu is no more. If that is wrong, then good. But Bapu died. Now we cannot go to him for asking, for discussing. So that is too much difficulty. We cannot get any advice from Bapu. Next paragraph. The light has gone out, I said, and yet I was wrong, for the light that shone in this country was no ordinary light. The light that has illuminated this country for this many years will illumine this country for many more years. And 1,000 years later, that light will be seen in this country, and the world will see it, and it will give solace to innumerable hearts. For that light represented the living truth, and the eternal man was reminding us of the right path, drawing us from error, taking this ancient country to freedom. My dear students, in this paragraph also, it is said, light has gone out. If it is wrong, then it was good. But in this paragraph specially said about the light. It is not ordinary light. This light means got many more advice. Even it is said, for thousands years later also, we are going to get advantage for this life, and now we are having a freedom due to this light, my dear students. This light means living truth. Those who are behind the truth, that means we are focusing on that light, that pain. If Gandhiji's life was a lesson, his death was an inspiration. 10 years before the death of Gandhiji, Rabindranath Tagore wrote the following sentence: perhaps he will not succeed, perhaps he will fail as Buddha failed, and as Christ failed to win man from their iniquities, but he will always be remembered as one who made his life as a lesson for all ages to come. So, my dear students, you see here Gandhiji's life, very good lesson. Even his death also, you see, that is inspiration. From life also we are learning, and from his death getting inspiration. So 10 years before the death of Gandhiji, you see, Rabindranath Tagore wrote about him, that his comparison is made with Buddha, with Jesus Christ, and we know very well both are very great person, and we could learn many more things from this both. In the same manner, we could learn many more things from Bapu also. we can remember for a long time. Next, as we are the children of the great Father and citizens of this country where he was born, lived and died, we have a great duty to learn that lesson and translate it into action of truth, which may liberate the country, for it still stands need of liberalization. So, my dear students, here it is said, we are the children of our great father, our Bapu. We are the citizen of the country. Because in this country, Gandhiji's born was there. Gandhiji lived his life and Gandhiji died in this country. So our duty to learn all this lesson, and we have to take care about it. Whatever actions we are doing, that must be truthful. Then and then, Bapu's sacrifice would be accomplished. Thank you very much.